Welcome back to Auto Vehicle, your trusted source for the latest in the world of two-wheelers. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases of 2025, the Hero Xtreme 125R. With its aggressive styling, upgraded features, and performance-focused engineering, this new model is set to shake up the 125cc segment. Let's get into what makes it stand out. Design and styling, sporty and modern. The 2025 Hero Xtreme 125R brings a bold, muscular design that appeals directly to younger riders. The sharp LED headlamp, sculpted fuel tank, and split-seat setup give it a premium, sporty look far beyond what you'd expect from a commuter bike. Hero has clearly focused on giving this bike an edge in both form and function. Engine and performance, refined power delivery. Under the hood, the Xtreme 125R is powered by a new 124.7cc air-cooled engine that produces around 11.4 brake horsepower and 10.5 Nm of torque. Paired with a 5-speed gearbox, the bike promises smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. Hero has also worked on refining the throttle response, making city commutes more responsive and enjoyable. Features and technology, ahead of the curve. One of the standout elements of the Xtreme 125R is its feature list. It comes with a fully digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, and turn-by-turn navigation. The bike also offers Hero's i3S start-stop system, which improves fuel economy during urban riding conditions. With these additions, it steps well above typical entry-level motorcycles. Ride and handling, built for urban roads. The new diamond frame chassis and telescopic front forks ensure nimble handling and a stable ride. The rear monoshock further enhances comfort, especially on bumpy roads. With a curb weight of just around 136 kilograms, the Xtreme 125R feels light and manageable, even for new riders. Braking and safety, reliable stopping power. For braking, Hero offers a front disc and rear drum setup with CBS, combined braking system, as standard. The braking is sharp and confidence-inspiring, making it a safe choice for daily commuting. Although ABS is not included, the CBS does a decent job for its class. Price and verdict, value that delivers. Priced competitively around 95,000 Indian rupees, ex-showroom, the Hero Xtreme 125R offers a compelling mix of style, performance, and technology. It's an excellent option for riders seeking a sporty commuter without breaking the bank. Hero MotoCorp seems to have hit the sweet spot with this release. Closing, stay tuned to Auto Vehicle. That wraps up our take on the 2025 Hero Xtreme 125R. If you're looking for a smart, stylish 125cc motorcycle, this one definitely deserves a test ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Vehicle for more updates and reviews from the world of two-wheelers. Ride safe and see you next time.